All right, going live in 5, 4. I'm just making these numbers up. 3, 2. There we go. Hey, what's up, Hacksters? Happy Friday. Um, so as we head into Thanksgiving weekend, if you're in the U.S., there you might be looking for something to do with your time. And one awesome option for you is this new crossover code challenge that we're launching with NXP. So I did a bunch of videos recently about the i.MX RT1010 developer kit. This is an Internet of Things friendly board. It's got Arduino headers on it, as well as audio interfaces, and it's really good for working with motors and things like that. Why is that? Well, the reason this is called the Crossover Code Challenge is because this is a crossover microcontroller, which means that it has the performance, functionality, and capabilities of an applications processor-based design, but with the ease of use, low power, and real-time operation with low interrupt latency of a traditional MCU-based design. So, that's what you've got going for you. Now, what is in it if you win? One fun thing about this contest is that if you win, you get just a pile of cold hard cash. Or, well, sort of virtual internet cash. But it's the same thing. You get the top 3 winners. First place is a $3,000 value electronic gift card, which is just like a Visa. You can use it like a regular credit card. Second place is $2,000 value, and third place is $1,000 value. There are some runner-ups as well. 10 winners will each get $100. If you want to participate, you gotta get your hands on the i.MX RT1010 EVK, the kit, which is linked from the site here, and it's only 1010. So even if you get one of the 10 runner-up spots, you've easily overshot whatever you spent on your project. You can find the details of the kit here. All kinds of stuff. You've got a microphone as well. So many fun audio things you could do with this, as well as an audio jack here. You've got the, was it SPDIF? Yeah, interface for audio. There's a few examples listed up here. You could use it for motor control. Use the Flex.io as an LCD interface. If you're curious about Flex.io, I was also. There's a whole NXP community page about that. The Flex.io module can emulate various serial communication protocols, including UART, SPI, and I2C. Super cool. And the judging criteria, you will be judged on a 100-point scale. It's super transparent, so if you've ever wondered about why our contests scored the way they are, well, here's your breakdown. 25 points for documentation. We really want everyone to have solid documentation. You're going to publish your code on GitHub and share that in your project. Video and photos, always a bonus. Code and contributions. Inventiveness. I love to see that. And technical depth, which is 15 points. All kinds of good stuff. So this is just in the rules, which are linked from the description there. Just go to Hackster.io/contests and you can find this. There is actually another NXP contest that we're running right now as well. This one, you scroll down to community contest, and it's the first one in the list, Crossover Code Challenge. The other one that we're running is the Hover Games Challenge, Fight Fire with Flyers, which is all about firefighting or different methods of preventing or fixing fires with drones. Super cool. And then finally, if you are curious about this but you don't know where to get started, or you want a preview of how the tech works and how easy it is to start before you go, you can check out on YouTube. Just look for our same username, Hackster.io. You might already be on YouTube watching this, in which case just go to our page, look for the playlist that says NXP i.MX RT1010, and due to the fact that this contest was launched on, well, it's around the RT1010, so, you know, on October 10th, we launched this 10 video series, and this is the final one announcing this contest, so, yeah, it's been a journey. And now we have arrived at the end point, but it's not the end. You have until February 28th to submit your final submission, and we will announce the winners by March 12th, 2020. New decade. Wow. Yeah, check it out. great project to hack on during your recess next week if you have one. Otherwise, if it's getting cold where you are, hole up with some technology and hack on.